Hello everyone, thank you for popping back to Gillian's Art Flow, and hello if you're new here. I'm doing a minimalist Dutch pour today, mainly because I have no Owatrol, so I can't mix any new paints, so I'm using up what I've got. The base is Arteza Sea Green Pearl mixed with Pebeo Metallic Silver. I'm also using Winsor and Newton Paynes Grey, Liquitex Basics Bright Yellow Green, Deco Art Amethyst, and Deco Art Pewter. As always, I list them down below. I hope you enjoy watching what turned out to be a rather quick painting. Just before I go, can I say thank you to each and every one of you for leaving comments. You really are making me blush. You're saying the sweetest things, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Liked it, you know, but it was just sort of like, yeah, it's sort of okay, and so I thought, do you know what, I'm just going to blow it out again, something that quite often I'm reluctant to do because I worry about paints muddying, but the truth is not all paints are going to go muddy. In this instance, when I looked at it, it looked as if it was black and purple, not Paynes Grey, and as soon as I blew it out, you could see that it was Paynes Grey and not black. I blow it out another couple of times as well, and you'll just see, if you watch the top right corner as you're looking at it now, you'll see how that goes from what looks like black to definitely looking Paynes Grey. The other thing is I had to turn up the hairdryer to the highest speed it would go, because if I hadn't, the paint wouldn't have moved. In the end, I was really pleased.